This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. I have just discovered this promising new trend, which currently has the potential to go viral. You may have already seen some of these motivational videos, which are currently gaining huge popularity and bring authors thousands of dollars monthly. And it's amazing that free tools are used to create them. In a few minutes, I'll show you step by step how easy it is to create these videos using artificial intelligence. And I'll also tell you where you can find the necessary resources. The video will consist of 3 parts: a script, voiceover, and stock footage. Don't skip to the end to get more tips. First of all, we need a suitable scenario. Contact the GPT chat and request 10 motivational quotes in English. After receiving the quotes, we notice that they are a little short for the video. Request longer quotes from the GPT chat so that the video lasts at least 30 seconds. After GPT provides quotes of suitable length, go to 11 Labs to select the voiceover. Choose a voice that matches the subject of the video. For example, I will choose the voice, as it is ideal for a motivational niche. Now go back to the GPT chat, copy the provided quotes, and paste them into 11 Labs. Repeat this process for 5 quotes. This way, you will have enough material to create an exciting motivational video. When you are on the verge of completing your creative process, give 11 Labs the opportunity to transform your video series by giving it a professional voice that will become an integral part of your project. Now, our next step is to get exciting background videos designed not just to attract, but also to truly captivate the viewer. Take a look at Pexels or other web resources such as Pixabay, where a wide selection of copyright-free video materials will be on your doorstep. Enter the query Night Street in the search bar and carefully filter the results, focusing on the vertical format. After carefully watching the videos, download some of the best options. Now that we have all the components at our disposal, we move on to the next stage using the free video editing software, CapCut. Select the videos from Pexels and place them on the timeline. Add the voiceover created with 11 Labs and harmonize it with the video sequence. Now let's move on to giving the video an additional motivational component with the help of effects. Take a look at the effects section and pick up fascinating video effects. Add soft transitions between clips and, if necessary, emphasize the drama using dark shades, reproducing the specified settings. You need to choose those effects and transitions that you think are more suitable for the video. See that everything looks beautiful and interesting for you, so you can make a high-quality video. Then we move on to the final touch, adding captions to the video. Go to the automatic download of subtitles, select the appropriate template, and click Generate. Then make edits to the captions according to your creative vision. Thus, your inspiring video will not only become a work of art, but will also earn the delight and attention of your audience. To give videos a pop-up effect and attract the attention of viewers, I recommend using bold captions, as they are able to attract the attention of the audience. Congratulations, you have just completed the creation of your first video. Here's another tip. Post these videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to ensure maximum growth potential. Monetize your videos on YouTube and TikTok by joining their affiliate programs that promise you significant rewards. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.